Hi, welcome to another pixia tutorial, and as promised, this time I'm going to show you a bit on the functions over here. Actually, I don't really need to explain much, but they are really easy to understand. But for the sake of learning, so let's try get used to it once again. Okay, we're just going to draw several different lines over here. Right. Now, the current one is the pen tool, which of course allows you to draw things with your pen. Now the next one is a blur. So if you select this, you can just, I'm going to test it over here, you'll see the tip starts to go really blurred. Now if you can't see this, okay, this one is the clear line. Let's see what happens if I blur this out. See? It's been blurred out. Okay, now the next one is the rub. Rub is actually this. So if I rub on here, this is what it looks like, right? Then comes the stir. Stir is here. See? Right? And then there's another blur 2. Now this is blur number 2. Right? And then there's the eraser. I think we all know this. Now you're probably wondering why I didn't use the filter. I'm going to explain this one later, okay? I purposely skipped this because I'm going to explain how to use this one later. Now the other thing you can see is the clone noise clockwise and counterclockwise. For clone, it seems there's something about before you use it, you see, before using the clone brush, drag the canvas with the shift key down. So I'm gonna drag the canvas with the shift key down, and then so you probably see something now. A little bit weird, but still usable. Okay, then you have noise to add the noise, and then you have clockwise and counterclockwise. Right. As for filter, okay, you notice when you click the word filter, it shows you the filter and then your options right here. So if I click this word filter, you have effects, noise, standard, transparent, and utility. But let's go with the effects. Now let's see, we go for button tiles, or if I wanted something more obvious, maybe the circle button, Japanese house, Japanese tiles around here. Okay, let's go for the Japanese tile. Once you select something, you click the word add, and then you click the word end. This is your preview. If you feel that this is the one you're looking for, click end. Then what you do, you can just go back to your filter and then see, just scribble it over, and you have your Japanese style effect. But if I wanted to filter the whole screen, I just need to click the fill, and then every of them is a Japanese style. You can also do other features like a mosaic or something else. See, now this is the mosaic. See, so filter is pretty cool when you want to mess around with it. So go ahead and try to play around with whatever settings that is available for you. Okay, and so that's pretty much it, how you want to use your tools over here. So I roughly have covered up almost every of these parts of the pixia except this, the transparency and the masking. I'm not really familiar with this, but I do know that it's really useful, and I'm not sure about the image either. So hopefully in the next tutorial, I'm just trying to cover up some of the more basic stuff like the selection tools. You see the other options available here, or how to add text, or how you flip horizontally or rotate, and the color adjustments and all this. These you can just try and error by yourself, but I will try to explain briefly about each of these. At least what I understand, I'll try to explain to you. So that's pretty much how you want to know about Pixia, and hope you have fun drawing, create some pretty works with it, okay? And this is Caterpillar Tomoko, and take care.